Today we're reading about gross domestic product. Number one, what does GDP stand for? 2, what has to be counted? 3, what does GDP try to measure? 4, what is the measure of value in GDP? 5, what are the 4 different kinds of spending that gross domestic product takes into account? 6, write the formula for gross domestic product. 7, what does each of the letters in the formula for gross domestic product stand for? And 8, calculate gross domestic product from the following table. Gross domestic product, GDP, is a statistic that shows the value of goods and services produced in a country in a particular year. All the goods and services that are sold each year have to be counted. Every new car, every egg laid by every hen, every donut, burger, and taco has to be included. Services must be counted too. Barbers, nurses, lawyers, and computer programs sell their services, and these services are part of GDP. All these goods and services produced by the economy is what gross domestic product, GDP, tries to measure. How's it done? First, instead of counting the actual goods made and sold and all of these services performed, economists add up what these things sold for in dollars and cents. In other words, they are using money as a measure of value. So, if people buy 2 million bushels of apples at $1 per bushel and 2 million books at $1 per book, then these purchases add to 4 million to the gross domestic product. If the gross domestic product is computed using the flow of the product approach and counting what people spend, 4 different kinds of spending must be taken into account. These are 1, consumption, spending by ordinary consumers; 2, investment, spending by businesses on new equipment; 3, spending by all levels of government; and 4, spending by foreigners who buy American goods, or exports minus spending by Americans on foreign goods, imports. The letters in the equation represent the 4 kinds of spending mentioned above. C is for consumer spending, I is for business investment spending, G is for government spending, and X is the spending by foreigners on national exports, and M is the spending on imported goods from foreign nations. Vocabulary terms: gross equals total, domestic means our nation, product means goods. All right, go to answer those questions if you would, please.